Hey you guys, it's your girl 𝐒𝐮𝐬𝐬 back with another video. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys some hairstyles to do with the closure wig. This is a glueless closure. Some people think it's a frontal because I have edges out. I just pulled out my edges on the side. This wig is from Arabella hair. I'm going to have it linked down below if you do want to get it. I'm not sure if they still have them in stock, this specific one. This is a body wave unit. Stay tuned, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Enough rambling, let's get into it, period. Obviously this is how the hair just looks out. Alright, first and foremost, I have my comb. Well, it's an edge brush with a rat tail comb end. The first thing I want to do is part out the front. A little piece of hair. So I'm kind of just gonna like carve out a triangle, like go diagonal. Alright, I think that's pretty even on both sides. You're gonna be braiding these two pieces, but I want to get the rest of the hair out the way. Alright, so clip your hair up and then you have your two pieces. It looks crazy right now, I know. First we're gonna comb it out and then we're gonna braid it. Once it's braided, you're gonna do the same thing to the other side, and I'm gonna come back when this side is braided. Alright, now that both sides are braided, this is what we're looking like. I think I braided this one a little bit too to the left. So make sure you pay attention to that, but for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna, you know, worry about it. Do y'all remember when we used to go like this? Now we're gonna take like a section of hair. We're gonna just do two pigtails on each side. Alright, there's one. Alright, and that's the first style. Alright, for the next one, we're literally just going to take a rubber band and connect these pieces in the back. And again, since it is a closure, what I do is kind of just cover it, fluff out the back some. Alright, next one. I'm just gonna take this out. Now we're just gonna do space buns. So we're literally just gonna wrap the hair around itself to your liking. I like mine messy, like it really doesn't matter. Sometimes you gotta fluff them out. It doesn't always come out perfect the first time. And that's good. Alright, so for the next one, we're pretty much just gonna braid the pigtail and also put it in a space bun. But this one gives off a different look because it's just, one is like a messy bun and then this is a braided bun. So I'm gonna show you guys. Probably should have kept one in so you guys could see the difference, but you'll see that it's similar, but it's not the same as the other one. Next, we're gonna get rid of all of the braids, so let me go take them out real quick and then I'll be right back. All right, now we're looking a little crazy. That's because the braids are now out and the hair's like whatever. We're gonna do like French braids, but I never like technically learned how to French braid, so you guys know how to French braid, that's great and that will work. Me personally though, I never really learned, so I just grab pieces in as I'm braiding, hope for the best. Like mine don't come out the best, but it comes out decent enough. And this is gonna be your style once you do the same thing to the other side. It's really cute. You can wet your hair. Let me do the other side and then I will come back and show you guys what we're gonna do next. All right, I'm back. I did wet the hair a little bit. I did the other side. As you can see, this side did not turn out good because it's not my dominant side. And again, I don't know how to do French braids, so if you do know, it's gonna look a lot better than mine. Now I know some of y'all are gonna be like, girl, it's a closure, why you got the sides out? I just feel like from far away you can't see it, and if people can see it then they're too close. Back up. So here's another style. All right, and then for the next style, you're just gonna take the two braids, I'm gonna tie them, and then I'm gonna use a bobby pin. All right, so here's this one. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. My camera's actually dying and I'm also running out of storage. So sorry this is cut short, but I hope you guys enjoyed the hairstyles. Be sure to give this video a like, comment, and make sure to subscribe, and see me in the next one. Peace.